Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the cutting and drilling tool. Cuts will allow you to take your designs to the next level, giving you the freedom to create unique and customized shapes according to whatever you have in mind. How do you use the cutting tool? First, click on the profile you want to cut or perforate. Then, select the cut icon. You'll see numbers appear around the profile. These numbers let you choose on which face you want to make the cut. A menu with several viewing options will open. The first thing I want to show you is the Shape Library option. Here you can choose from several preset shapes, which will serve as a starting point. Once you choose a shape, you'll be able to edit its dimensions. You can also adjust the depth of the cut or perforation. And you can also modify the angle as needed. When you finish editing it, you can save your custom shape in your own library to use it later. You can also copy and paste your shapes once you've edited them. Just select the shape, press Ctrl+C to copy, and Ctrl+V to paste it into another profile of the same design, or even into a new design in another window. You can also enable the negative cut option if your design requires it. This will invert the shape of the cut and can help you achieve more specific effects. The editing options for these cuts remain the same. How to position your cuts? You have 3 ways to place your cut on the profile. The first way is to freely position the cut shape with your mouse. Click on the cut shape and drag it freely over the profile. The second way is found in the position parameters from the center. Here you can precisely set the positioning values for your cut shape. For the third way, we need to click on Expand Editor. Here you can also edit the position of your cuts precisely. Also, in the Expanded Editor, you can access the editing nodes where you'll be able to create even more customized shapes, but we'll cover that in the second part of this video. Once you have everything set up, just click on Cut. And remember, you can make as many cuts as you need. Each time you make a cut, it will be saved in the Cut Manager, where you can access each one and edit them at any time. If you need to, you can also reset your cuts and start from scratch. Now let's do a practical example to use the cuts. Here we have a design made by a user. You may notice that some profiles still need cuts to make the design look more realistic. So let's apply everything we've learned and improve this design. We'll make cuts at the ends of these profiles to give it a more professional finish. Now you know how to use cuts.